In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to escalate a conversation from ping to message board in Basecamp. There isn't a one-click button to turn a private ping into a public message board thread because they serve different purposes. Ping is a private chat between specific people. The message board is a project-wide space where posts are visible to everyone on the project. To escalate, you'll manually move the relevant context into a new message board post so the whole team can see it, discuss it, and take action. Start by heading to the project where the escalation needs to live. Open the message board tool, then click New Message. This is where you'll capture the essence of the chat and make it useful for a broader audience. Give your post a clear, actionable title that signals it's an escalation. For example, Escalation, discussion on topic from ping with person team. A good title helps people quickly understand what the thread is about and why they should read it. In the body of the message, summarize the key points from the ping chat. Briefly cover what was discussed, any decisions that were made, open questions that still need answers, and why this now needs broader visibility. Keep the tone neutral and factual so the thread remains easy to follow. If there's sensitive information in the original chat, leave it out or generalize it before sharing. Add relevant quotes or screenshots from the ping conversation to preserve context. Direct quotes work well for short, pivotal lines. Screenshots are helpful when sequence matters. If you want to provide deeper reference, you can link back to specific ping messages. In Basecamp, you can copy a ping message link using the menu next to the line you need and paste it into your post. Before you publish, decide who should be notified. Basecamp lets you choose whether to notify everyone on the project or select individuals. Make sure all stakeholders who need to weigh in or be aware are included so the escalation gets the right visibility. If the topic is sensitive or only relevant to a subset, limit notifications to those people to avoid unnecessary noise. Once published, you've effectively moved the conversation into a shared, organized space. This creates a clear, searchable record, invites feedback from the right people, and helps the team align on next steps. That's all it takes to escalate a private ping into a message board thread that keeps your project moving forward.